looking to start a baking YouTube channel in 2025? Discover the top 5 high demand niches that can set you apart. With the rise of health conscious diets, plant based baking is booming. From vegan cakes to dairy free pastries, this niche caters to a growing audience seeking delicious, cruelty free treats. Gluten free diets are more popular than ever. Sharing recipes for gluten free bread, cookies, and desserts can attract viewers with dietary restrictions or those exploring healthier options. Traditional baking methods are making a comeback, and I've personally experienced how powerful this niche can be. On my own Faceless baking channel, I create tutorials on sourdough starters and artisan bread techniques, helping beginners master the craft of bread making. If you want to see a real life example of how to start your own baking channel, check out my channel in the description. Subscribe for more insights and hands on examples. In today's fast paced world, many seek quick solutions. Offering simple, time saving baking recipes appeals to busy individuals craving homemade goodies without the hassle. Global flavors are enticing to many. Introducing international baking recipes allows viewers to explore and recreate beloved treats from different cultures right in their kitchens. Want more niche ideas? Download our free PDF with 101 baking niches to inspire your content creation. Click the link in the description to get your copy now.